or data-driven decision center. Leverage comprehensive analytics to gain insights into your business performance. Let me show you step-by-step how to track property views, inquiry conversion rates, and market trends to grow your business. First, let's access your analytics. Go to your dashboard. This metrics at a glance. Notice the analytics widgets showing total properties, property value, views, and inquiries. These numbers update in real time as your business grows. Let's dive into the performance metrics. Click on any of these metric cards to see detailed breakdowns. Here, you can see property views. Track how many times your listings have been viewed. Notice the trend indicators showing whether views are increasing or decreasing. This helps you understand which properties are getting attention. Now, let's look at inquiry conversion rates. This is crucial for understanding your business performance. Here, you can see how many views converted into actual inquiries. Track your conversion rate percentage. The higher this number, the more effective your listings are. Click here to see detailed inquiry analytics, including which properties generate the most inquiries and response times. One of the most powerful features is customizable performance dashboards. Click the settings icon here to customize your dashboard. You can add, remove, or rearrange widgets to match your workflow. Want to prioritize inquiry metrics? Move that widget to the top. Need to track market trends? Add a market analysis widget. Your dashboard, your way. Let's explore market trend analysis. Click on the Market Trends section here. You'll see comprehensive charts showing property price trends, market activity, and competitive insights. Compare your performance against market averages. See which neighborhoods are trending, what price ranges are most active, and identify opportunities in the market. Finally, let's generate a report. Click the Reports button here. You can create custom reports for any time period, daily, weekly, monthly, or custom ranges. Select the metrics you want to include, choose your format, PDF or Excel, and click Generate Report. Perfect for sharing with your team or analyzing performance over time. That's analytics and reporting, customizable dashboards, detailed performance metrics, market trend analysis,